Hi, this is me. Welcome to Island You Learn. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Have you ever wondered why do we say ABCD like that and not like this or any other order? Because this is the order of the English alphabet. All the 26 letters in English alphabet are arranged in this particular order, and this is known as alphabetical order. There are 21 consonants and 5 vowels in English alphabet: A, E, I, O and U. Also, if you want to find the meaning of any word in a dictionary, all the words are written in alphabetical order. And your teachers also write your names in the attendance register in alphabetical order. It is also known as ABCD order. But what is this alphabetical order or ABCD order? Let's learn about it. When the words are arranged in the order of the letters in English alphabet, then the words are said to be in alphabetical order. Now let's learn how to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Let's look at these objects: dog, car, balloons, apple. How are we going to arrange them in alphabetical order? As we know the right sequence of the ABCD order, we will see the first letter of each object. Is there any object starting with A? Yes, it's apple. Then the next would be balloons as it starts with B. Third object would be car because it starts with C. And the fourth object would be dog because it starts with D. So, according to the alphabetical order, the right sequence would be apple, balloons, car and dog. If we look at these objects, the first letter is same, that is P. Now how do we arrange these objects in alphabetical order? For these objects, we will ignore the first letter and we will look at the second letter of each object. That is the easy rule. If the first letter is the same, then we will look at the second letter of the object. Similarly, we will arrange the objects in the right ABCD order, and it would be parrot, pen, pizza, potato. Let's see what we have learned today. The ABCD order is called alphabetical order, and how to arrange the words in alphabetical order. A dictionary gives the words in alphabetical order, which makes it easy to find their meanings. I hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep growing.